I'm Dr. Alex Danis with miniPCR Bio, and I'm here to introduce you to the miniPCR thermal cyclers. miniPCR machines are small, durable, fully functional thermal cyclers. They allow users to create a wide variety of thermal programs, including polymerase chain reactions, heat blocks, and temperature ramps, using a simple app interface. The small, robust design allows you to take your PCR on the road. miniPCR machines have been used everywhere from the forests of Madagascar and the leading edge of outbreak tracking, to classrooms and research laboratories, and even on the International Space Station. miniPCR machines are compatible with standard PCR tubes and reagents. The Mini 8 can hold 8 samples at a time, while the Mini 16 can hold 16 samples at a time. Both miniPCR machines are fully compatible with both Mac and Windows computers and Android devices. The Mini 8 adds Chromebook compatibility, while the Mini 16 can support iPhones and iPads. Both devices support USB connectivity, and the Mini 16 adds the ability to connect wirelessly via Bluetooth. Programming is simple and intuitive through the miniPCR app. Both devices can run fully customizable PCR, heat block, and temperature ramp protocols, and the Mini 16 adds flex programming, allowing you virtually unlimited options, including touchdown PCR. For new users, temperature conditions in the tube are graphed in real time, and an animated depiction of what is occurring at the molecular level allows students to visualize the reaction as it happens, reinforcing the fundamentals of PCR. Students can also see how the estimated number of DNA copies present in the tube changes over time. The miniPCR app also allows several machines to be programmed simultaneously by the same device, and machines can be pre-programmed in advance and will run even when disconnected. miniPCR thermal cyclers are small and durable for the field, simple and intuitive for the classroom, and precise and sophisticated for the molecular biology lab user. To learn more about the Mini 8 and Mini 16 thermal cyclers, you can visit minipcr.com.